In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious no-bake peanut butter pie. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pie crust, 1 cup of peanut butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, Cool Whip, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of chocolate chips, and a 1/4 cup of peanuts. In a bowl, we're going to add in the cream cheese and mix until soft. Add the peanut butter and mix until completely combined. Add the powdered sugar and mix until all the powdered sugar is combined. Slowly add in the Cool Whip while mixing until completely combined. Now we're going to transfer this mixture into the pie crust. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave. We're going to place the melted chocolate into a Ziploc bag and we're going to cut off a small piece of the tip. Pipe the melted chocolate on top of the pie. Sprinkle with peanuts. Place in the fridge for 4 hours. Our no-bake peanut butter pie is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.